How regular exercise reduces symptoms of depression. Frequent exercise is an effective way to improve mental health, especially in lowering depressive symptoms. In addition to enhancing physical health, physical activity sets off a cascade of biochemical and psychological alterations that improve mood and emotional fortitude. In order to provide a comprehensive approach to managing mental health, this investigation explores 7 important ways that regular exercise can successfully reduce depressed symptoms. Number 7. Release of endorphins. Exercise-induced endorphin release is an intriguing and intricate physiological reaction that is essential for elevating mood. The pituitary gland and the central nervous system are the main producers of endorphins, which are neuropeptides that act as organic pain relievers and mood enhancers. Your body releases these endorphins into the bloodstream in response to the effort of physical activities like dancing, swimming, or jogging. This procedure not only reduces pain, but also produces exhilaration, which is sometimes called the runner's high. The amount of endorphins released might vary depending on the length and intensity of the exercise. Longer, more intense workouts typically result in a larger release. It is accessible to people of all fitness levels because research shows that even moderate intensity workouts can result in notable improvements in endorphin levels. After working out, this happy state can linger for hours and offer instant respite from depressive or anxious thoughts. Additionally, the expectation of this favorable emotional reaction can be a strong motivator for those who are depressed, pushing them to continue leading active lives. Regular physical activity can eventually cause long-lasting changes in brain chemistry, which can improve mood over time and reduce the risk of depressive episodes. Number 6. Improvement in brain function. Exercise has a significant and complex effect on brain function, affecting emotional well-being and cognitive function via a number of biochemical mechanisms. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that aids in cell survival and encourages neurogenesis, the production of new neurons, especially in the hippocampus, is one of the major participants in this process. Learning, memory, and emotional control all depend on the hippocampus, and mood disorders like depression are frequently associated with its failure. Frequent exercise has been demonstrated to dramatically raise BDNF levels, which improves synaptic plasticity, the brain's capacity to change and rearrange itself in response to new knowledge or experiences. Developing coping strategies and emotional resilience requires this neuroplasticity, which enables people to more effectively handle stressors that may cause depressive symptoms. Exercise also improves cerebral blood flow, which supplies the oxygen and nutrients required for the brain to function at its best. In addition to supporting cognitive functions, this increased blood flow aids in the removal of toxins that may gradually build up in the brain. Additionally, exercise promotes the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are essential for mood and emotion regulation. When taken as a whole, these effects help to increase emotional stability, cerebral clarity, and problem-solving skills, all of which are essential for successfully treating depression. Number 5. Reduction of stress hormones. Emotional well-being depends on controlling stress hormone levels because chronic stress is a major cause of mental health conditions, including depression. Through the promotion of physiological changes that improve the body's stress response system, exercise is an efficient way to lower cortisol, the main stress hormone. Cortisol levels may initially rise during severe exercises due to physical strain, but frequent exercise eventually improves cortisol regulation. The body experiences a variety of hormonal changes during physical activity. Contrary to sedentary people, studies show that those who regularly exercise have lower baseline cortisol levels. Increased anxiety and depressed symptoms are linked to elevated cortisol levels. Therefore, this decrease is very advantageous. Additionally, exercise promotes the production of other neurotransmitters like norepinephrine and serotonin, which are both essential for lowering anxiety and stabilizing mood. Exercise itself can also be a type of mindfulness exercise. Concentrating on physical movements while working out can divert people's attention from depressive-related negative cognitive patterns. Over time, a more balanced emotional state is fostered by the combination of decreased stress hormones and increased mood-regulating neurotransmitters, which helps people deal with life's obstacles more skillfully. Number 4. Enhanced sleep quality. People with depression frequently experience sleep difficulties, which can lead to a vicious cycle in which depression is made worse by inadequate sleep. Through a number of mechanisms that interact with both physiological processes and behavioral patterns, regular exercise has been demonstrated to considerably improve the quality of sleep. Physical exercise lengthens the duration of deep sleep periods, which are essential for the body and mind to heal, while also increasing overall sleep duration. By encouraging regular sleep-wake cycles, exercise aids in the regulation of circadian rhythms. Being outside in the presence of natural light further strengthens this synchronization by telling the body when it should be awake or asleep. Furthermore, exercise raises body temperature during workouts. When the body cools down afterward, It replicates the natural decrease in body temperature that takes place prior to the commencement of sleep, telling the body it is time to rest. Additionally, exercise eases muscle tension and anxiety, two things that frequently disrupt sleep, making it easier for people to fall asleep and experience deeper, higher quality sleep overall. Better sleep has a direct impact on mood management. People who have restorative sleep cycles are better able to manage everyday pressures and keep their emotions in check during the day. Number 3. Social interaction opportunities. Building social bonds through common interests is essential for mental health rehabilitation because social isolation is a major risk factor for depression. Exercise offers a wealth of social connection opportunities, whether through team sports leagues, group fitness classes at gyms, or physical activity-focused community events like yoga sessions in parks or charity races. By taking part in these social situations, people can assist one another while working out and connect over common objectives and experiences. Number 2. Increase self-esteem and confidence. For those who are depressed, the path to greater physical fitness frequently results in notable increases in confidence and self-worth. People who successfully complete realistic fitness goals, such as doing a specific amount of repetitions at the gym or competing in a nearby race, feel a great sense of accomplishment that enhances their opinion of themselves. Beyond just physical accomplishments, this newfound confidence cultivates a belief in one's talents in a variety of spheres of life, from professional pursuits to personal relationships. This can be especially powerful for individuals who may feel inadequate because of their depressive mood. Additionally, regular exercise frequently results in improvements in body image as people get healthier and fitter through regular activity regimens catered to their interests or abilities. They may grow and have a more positive perception of their bodies and abilities in general. Number 1. Long-term mood regulation. The advantages of regular exercise go well beyond short-term mood boosts. If done consistently over the course of a person's life, particularly during formative years, it greatly contributes to long-term mental health stability and resilience against future depressive episodes or anxiety disorders. Moderate intensity physical activity, when done regularly at least 3 times a week, has been shown to reduce the risk of depression over time and to be an effective relapse prevention strategy for individuals who are already experiencing depressive symptoms following treatment cessation, such as therapy. Over time, even moderate exercise such as brisk walking or cycling for 20 to 30 minutes most days can result in significant decreases in depressive symptoms. This is primarily because of the cumulative effects on brain chemistry that were previously discussed, as well as the factors that improve overall well-being that were previously mentioned throughout this discussion. Establishing a routine that includes physical activity aids in bringing about long-lasting changes in one's neurochemical landscape. It encourages more healthy reactions to stressors, and with repeated practice, improves emotional regulation abilities. In summary, regular exercise provides a holistic strategy that goes beyond treating depression alone. It also addresses physiological changes in our bodies, improves psychological resilience through social connections, and improves self-perception. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe.